Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this episode of password cracking, file passwords cracking. Today, we are going to cover something a little bit more different from our normal series. We are going to move a little bit to cover a lab that I saw that was very interesting on a very good platform called CTFroom. So you can log into CTFroom, and I want us to cover a specific lab in our password file password cracking series. And proving ground, you'll meet a lab called broken passwords, MS password. I actually got it very interesting, and I thought it will be very good for all of us to actually get to interact with it. It's a very good platform. You can check. They have a wide range of challenges. Today we are going to cover this broken passwords. So you just open the CTF. So broken password MSWord. So not all passwords are safe. Learn by breaking. Understand, learn by breaking. It's a very good quote. So the module, we can start the module. Users protect their MS Word documents with passwords. While this is a good step, weak passwords offer no protection against cyber threats. Break the password of the attached Word document and use the checklist corporate password list here. So as we actually interacting with the other labs, the other episodes we have covered, we are also given a word list here. So I'm going to click on it to redirect me to GitHub repository. So we have this the corporate password.txt. I'm going to download it, and under this, yeah, CTFroom, amazing, nice. And going back to our module, we were given files, a zip file here. I'm also going to download that, still under the same one, amazing, that one. So I'm going to check on them. So we have corporate minutes and this word list we have gotten. So I'm going to open my terminal. So back to what we are supposed to break the Word document and answer the question, what is the Gmail password? Amazing. So going back, I'm going to maximize my screen a little bit less. So we have corporate minutes and the corporate password. This is the word list you're going to be using. So I'm going to unzip this zip file. Amazing. Less. We now have corporate minutes. This is the documents, the docs, and the word list we need. To prove to you that this is password protected, we shall open it. I'll open it with WPS. Give it a second. It boots up well. Give it a second. Okay, a minute rather. So yeah, so we have document is encrypted. This document is encrypted document. Please enter the document open password. Amazing. So you can see you can't actually just log, you can't check the contents of the document without having the password. So back to our terminal. In this, since we are cracking a Word document, there's a special tool that needs to be used. It's Office 2 John. So we need to get the hash of the word document. Then you get the password from now the hash. So two-step journey, just get Office 2 John. Remember, if you can't have this tool if you don't have John the Ripper. So it's a byproduct of John the Ripper. So Office 2 John. Then I'm going to get let me just copy it so that I don't mess anything up. The Word document we need the hash for. Then we're going to save it in minutes the underscore hash. Remember, you can just use any that you want, any word naming you want. Then now I must have the minutes hash, right? Notice it's this one, minutes hash. So from now, this minutes hash is where we are going to get our password. So what do? We crack it using John the Ripper. The same syntax we've been covering for the previous episodes. So John, the word lists, you enter the word list. Where's the word list? This one, corporate passwords.txt. Copy it, and then we are using the minutes hash. So minutes hash, just a ni there. So using default input loaded on password. So I already cracked this, so I just need to check. So one thing I've noticed, since I already cracked it, it has saved it in my port file of my John the Ripper. So let me just twist it a little bit so that it opens up in another port document. But if you didn't crack this password, this should work. This command should work. So I'm going to redo this and use a different port, not port the open ports for doing anything, but it's where the John the Ripper stores the cracked password. Sorry, the cracked passwords. Sorry for that. Demo, let me just use demo.txt. Let's hope it works. So give it time to crack it. Give it time, you can see it's running. Amazing, it has actually worked. So just a quick recap of what I've just done. I noticed when I was doing the crack from this point, I noticed it says loaded one password hash. And since I just don't want you to show you just the password, I just want to show you how to crack the password. I've used a different port, because once you crack a password with John the Ripper, it stores that cracked password because it senses the hash. It actually has that hash. So once you loaded up the hash value, and it got the password. So to avoid redoing this every now and then, you might be needing that password, that hash oftenly. You might be needing that password oftenly. It stores that cracked password for you, because human being doesn't store everything by themselves. So there's this port file that stores. In fact, it's called it stores just the .port. So now I specified it to use another different port. This POT. It uses a different port so that I can get now a new cracked password. But still the same, but I just wanted to demonstrate to you why I needed it. So if you're doing this for the first time, this command should actually work. I didn't remember to clear that port file, so I just now used a different port, so demo.txt, and it got us the password. So back to where we need to enter this. So I copy that password and go back to my WPS office, paste it, then click OK. You can now see it has now opened the Word document. The Word document is now open. This is a very secret document. The password to my Gmail is this. So remember, this is now just a simulation of how things happen, because remember, maybe this file was actually intercepted while in traffic, maybe something of the sort, and since it was password protected, it might be holding maybe secret documents, secret information about a company, and now a competitor now has the documents or has the information. So it's really important you understand why we need strong and secure passwords. So I'm going to copy it well, and I'm going to paste it in what is my Gmail password. Submit. Let's see if it works. Yeah, amazing, correct answer, stroke flag. So now I've solved that lab. Thank you so much, and if you really like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe and share this type of content. We're really looking forward to helping each and every cybersecurity student learn cybersecurity. Thank you so much. You can check out that platform, CTFroom. They have amazing labs. They have really amazing labs from web, from forensics, from steganography, all that. Just check them out. You'll get to learn more from them. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.